Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you one cool application which will let you know your internet speed and also how good is your internet connections for using respective applications. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store you need to search for one application named as Meteor. As you can see, this Meteor free internet speed and app performance test. So you download and install it, and once installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you will see its user interface. So here it is showing a start testing, and here you can see a assistant by tapping which you can get some idea and which will guide you throughout using these applications. So we'll check the internet speed and what it provides afterwards. So by tapping on the start, you can see just wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, my download speed is this much, upload speed is this much, and the ping 39 ms. So you can see below here. So while you were using in the YouTube, your internet connection is awesome, and while browsing using your Chrome browser, it's still mentioning awesome. For browse using Google Maps, it's awesome. Even while playing Mobile Legends is awesome. Even while watching movies or videos in Netflix, it's also awesome. So you can see here, add apps more, so you can get more applications that you can add in the list and see if your connection is awesome, good, or okay for using those applications. So right now there is only this much of applications, but you can request more apps to be included here to the developer. So it's up to you. So if you want more application to be included, you leave a comments in the Google Play Store itself and let the developers know. So in my opinion, you should try this cool applications to check out your internet speed and also to know how your apps will perform on your internet connections. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.